super cute. I know. Look at the cool flowers. Pretty. I think that's ornamental kale. Isn't it pretty?
But no, there's a really big one.
We are at Oak Pastures today. We had to set up a tent, but it's one of my favorite farms to come to. We just had a delicious lunch at the little general store. It has a restaurant in there, so we enjoyed that. And I'm just going to show you a few neat things here. 6 generations in the making. They're a zero waste farm, which is pretty incredible. And they sell all kinds of things that let you know they are zero waste. They use leather wraps around their silverware. They use the tallow to make candles, all kind of amazing things. It's one of our favorite places to stop. We do a lot of tent work here, or in the area actually. So we come here a lot. But I'm gonna show you a couple of cool fun things here. A couple of gazebos. Hey buddy.
Hi. Can I go play with them?
Yeah, we will. Hang on one second. I love how they have made this bench here using some sort of spool for some very big cable or wire. Yeah, it's so cool. This has not been here. I don't remember seeing it. Do you?
Fence.
It was fence. Oh yeah.
But they had wire fence on it.
Oh, you're so smart. Paisley got a new sweatshirt today. That's her favorite. No, not the Bass Pro Shop sweatshirt. It says Oak Pastures. All right, buddy, you want to play? I think you're going to do just fine on a farm. You chase all the chickens. So they just threw out all the breakfast scraps. You can see all the eggshells. And I am amazed. I did not realize turkeys would eat all these scraps. And ducks. We used to have a duck at my daddy's house, and I loved playing with that duck. I would spray water, and the duck would just love it. What?
Can we go in the barn?
Sure, let's go look at the horse barn. What'd you think, buddy? Is this a boy or a girl? Boy, huh? Oh, that's a beautiful one. Rowdy, what do you think of that big beauty? Hey, Gabe, can I pet you? Oh, you're so soft and beautiful. What a special treat. Get to see Gabe. Oh, here's the saddles inside this room. Look, see them all? Bunch of saddles.
The saddles let you go over them and sit next.
That's right, you sit on the saddle. This is not really like a petting animal type farm, but we were just super blessed to be able to get to walk up and spend some time with the horses. And we are parked near the pigs, so we're gonna go see some of the pigs. Yes, and we got to pet them, that's right. What a really special treat that was.
Across the road?
Yep, it's across the road near where we parked. They used to keep the pigs back there with the turkeys, but now they've moved them. I think they rotate the animals. We're headed into their little leather workshop. Let's see, it says sun-dried rawhide, a leather workshop, tallow kitchen, and zero waste pet shoes. Job. Oh, got sidetracked. Feather.
A big feather. You want one?
Let me carry it. Thank you.
No, it's for me.
I got it in my pocket.
I feel that, Mary. I feel that. What's your mom?
That's neat, isn't it, buddy? It's an old sewing machine. It's a big sewing machine.
How does it put myself?
Very cool. Oh, you got a weight? He had a weight on the pedal. That's how it was going.
Yeah, it's sometimes whenever we start sewing, it will pull the string and it'll just like all mess
Yeah,
up. So
my
we
sewing
just
machine
have
does that
weights
too.
To just
Yep.
stop it. And it's, of course, it has to be a big, heavy chunk of metal.
No way. Want to hold it? Yeah.
Oh, someone's making it strong. Nice.
Yeah, my sewing
What?
machine does that too. It's a good idea.
I don't know where they got this thing.
Chew toys. Do y'all import the honey or do you
We actually have we have at this point 36 hives on the
You
farm.
do? Okay, so
Like 2 different places.
36 hives, wow. So this is the zero waste part I was telling you about. These are the things that they make using everything, anything, right? Nothing
Pretty
goes to
much.
waste. Yep.
We try to practice zero waste in everything we do. Even small scraps of leather that we use that can't use to make anything, we'll take them, cut them up, and then put a little bit of fragrance over them, and we'll sew them as air fresheners.
Nice.
Actually, I have one in my car. It keeps it smelling like vanilla year round.
Moms! Celosia, they just set the carts out. I guess they're selling them. That's funny. Look at this gorgeous cactus blooming, Rowdy. Look at it. I love a blooming cactus. Yeah? Right. Some hostas and grasses. Caladiums. Really pretty. Oh. Caladiums are some of my favorites. Oh, I love how this vine's out. I wonder what that is.
That's really long.
Really long. Yeah, this looks like mint or what is that?
I saw it like that.
You saw the vine way long last time we ate here? Not sure what kind of tree this is, but it is glorious. This does not do it justice. What would this be? Some kind of spruce? I mean, it is massive. I mean, here's me beside this tree. It's like, this is hard to show you, but that's big. We are back from White Oak Pastures, setting up our tent and exploring the farm. Here's one of the candles we got. Paisley, let's see your new sweatshirt. Nice, I like your sweatshirt.
It's so beautiful. I can't even see it. You're half dude.
The scents we bought 2 of them, tobacco and flannel. Says it burns for almost 45 hours. That's pretty unbelievable for an 8-ounce jar.
Wow.
So I use these in our camper, and one will scent the whole camper. So I figured 2 for around here at the house. They had tons of scents, and we smelled a bunch of them. And both Paisley and I agreed that tobacco and flannel was just amazing. We had a wonderful morning. It's about 2 o'clock.
Ate dinner.
We had lunch, didn't we? It was so good, wasn't it? What did you have?
Chicken.
No, you didn't have chicken.
Hamburger.
You had hamburger.
Hamburger in fry.
Yes. Yes, real potato cut fries and hamburger. I had a barbecue bacon cheddar burger and it's coffee time. I'm exhausted. Threw a tent up, took the kids around the farm, drove home after driving there. It's a little ways away for us. But anyway, thanks for hanging out today, guys. We're just going to finish our day out. Paisley's doing her school now, late in the day, so we're going to do a condensed version of it. And Rowdy and I are just hanging out. I'm about to enjoy a cup of coffee, and we will see you guys again next time.
Those sneezing flowers are dying.
The sneezing flowers are dying.
Yes,
The goldenrod. Hey, can you say bye? Look, say bye.
Bye.
Trying a new coffee. I found it at Walmart, but it does look very interesting. Stumptown Coffee Roasters, called Homestead. You saw it. You helped me grind it.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, you already saw it.
Like and subscribe.